Okay, so hello guys and welcome to Rishan's Gaming, and today we are going to play Garena Free Fire in Clash Squad Bermuda. Last time we had done Clash Squad Kalahari, this time Clash Squad Bermuda. And the support on the Kalahari Clash Squad video is like insane. Like I have got 29 views on that, so thank you for that support and love you all. And so we are going to do Clash Squad Bermuda today, so let's go. So now I have come in the map, and now I took G18. So now I am playing Clash Squad Bermuda, and this map is insane. Like it's a bit better than Kalahari, but by my side Kalahari is better. So now we are in factory, and I'm saying Bermuda is better because I know the locations in Bermuda. In Kalahari, I have not played not a single time Classic Kalahari, but we'll surely get to you with Classic Kalahari. So let's go. And there's somebody here. So now my health is a bit low and I do need healing, but first I have to kill these people, and then comes the time when I will heal. So now I can heal because it's too less. The health is too less. Wow, okay, so we got a victory, and okay, so I've got these guns. I will take let's see, AUG. Okay, AUG. AUG is a good gun. So we'll take AUG. People have Thompson. Two people have MP5 and one has Thompson, and I have AUG. So let's go. I'm like so happy that I got so much support on my Kalahari class. But I never dreamed about that. Okay, so now we are gonna snipe. I am with one teammate so that I'm safe. So I'm just heading up with one teammate which has MP5. So we both can snipe. That's true. Oh. I have really less health. So I have to health up so that I can fight from the enemies. So let's go. What? I didn't take a single kill and victory? Okay. I have a AUG. This match, let's take Scar? No, not Scar. Mag. Let's take Mag. I'll try Mag. Let's see how Mag is. Is it good? I have no idea. Actually, Mag is good. I'll go with AUG and Mag this time. Next match, if my AWM unlocks, I will surely take a headshot and show you from AWM. It'll be too cool. Okay, so we have come on Paunchy now. There are many good buildings here, so that we can snipe. There. That's cool. Okay. Somebody must be reviving that teammate there, I'm sure. I need somebody. Okay, two are there. Two. We'll snipe from there. I need a grenade. I literally need a grenade at this time. Again. Oh no, he had Desert Eagle. Desert eagles are too sharp. Means they give lot of damage. I wish somebody revives me. Can somebody revive me, please? Oh wow, it's victory, it's victory! Yay! Yay! Okay, this is a match point, so I can take AWM, and this is the time! Okay, AWM and a helmet. If somebody wants Mac, they can surely take it. Okay, let's go. So we are going to jump, and I'm gonna headshot these people by AWM. This whole match I'll take AWM. Okay, so here, and now we'll... Oh no! Somebody else has AWM here. No, he has Woodpecker. Oh no. Oh no, somebody is taking damage. One of my teammates are taking damage. Oh, there. Okay, actually I can't handle AWM so good. I'll just crouch here and heal up a bit so that I can do headshots. Oh, Vector, somebody has Vector. Wow, again, booyah! So this was the match, and I think we should do another match. Okay, let's do another match. Let's rematch. Okay, continue. This match is fine. I will surely upload one classic Kalahari. Next up is classic Kalahari. So surely see that. And after classic Bear Mudda, we'll surely put the new map that is come in Free Fire. I will download it. That is named Purgatory. Is named as Purgatory Classic. I'll just show you this map. This one. So it opens daily. Okay. So we will surely put that map after Kalahari, after Bear Mudda. Means like Kalahari, then Bear Mudda, then Purgatory. Okay. So wait till next stop. Bye. Okay.